Hey, everyone! Today's video tackles a common tech hurdle, transferring your eSIM to a brand new iPhone. Upgrading your phone shouldn't be a chore, and with eSIMs, it absolutely doesn't have to be. In this 5-minute guide, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process to ensure a smooth transition. First things first, make sure both iPhones have a stable internet connection, preferably Wi-Fi for optimal speed. Now, let's grab your old iPhone and open the Settings app. Navigate to Cellular or Mobile Data, depending on your iOS version. Here, you'll find options related to your eSIM or mobile plans. It might be labeled simply as eSIM or Cellular plans. Tap on the specific eSIM plan you want to transfer to your new iPhone. Look for an option to Transfer eSIM or something similar. This option might be tucked away under More Info or within the plan details itself. Once you've initiated the transfer on your old phone, let's switch over to your brand new iPhone. Power it on and follow the initial setup steps until you reach the screen dedicated to setting up your cellular or mobile data plan. You might see an option that directly says Set up Cellular Plan. If so, that's the one you want to tap on. Otherwise, don't worry. You can still add your eSIM later by going to Settings, Cellular or Mobile Data after completing the initial setup. Here, look for an option related to adding a cellular plan or eSIM. When prompted during setup or within Settings, choose the option that says Transfer from another device. This is where the magic happens. Your new iPhone will display a QR code on its screen. Now, grab your old iPhone and open the Camera app. Scan the QR code displayed on your new iPhone using the camera. You might be prompted to enter a confirmation code displayed on your new iPhone as an extra security step. Simply enter that code and continue the transfer process. That's it. Your new iPhone will now start configuring the eSIM. This process might take a few minutes, so be patient. Once everything is complete, you'll see a confirmation message, and your new iPhone will be ready to use the transferred cellular plan. So there you have it. Transferring your eSIM to your new iPhone is a straightforward process. Remember, if you encounter any issues during the transfer, don't hesitate to contact your carrier's customer support team. They'll be happy to assist you further. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a thumbs up, and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. And of course, leave a comment below if you have any questions about eSIMs or the transfer process. Thanks for watching.